How to use Zelle with Wells Fargo application. Our guest facing issues to use Zelle application with Wells Fargo app. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use Zelle with Wells Fargo application, open your Wells Fargo mobile app and log in into your account with your username and password. From the home screen, tap on the menu and select Send Money with Zelle. If it's your first time, tap Get Started and enroll by entering a US mobile number or email, then link it to your Wells Fargo checking account. Once enrolled, you are ready to go. To send money, choose a recipient from your contact or type in the US phone number or email. Enter the amount you want to send, add a note if needed, and confirm by tapping Send. If the recipient is enrolled with Zelle, the transfer happens within a minute. To receive money, just stay enrolled. Any money sent to your registered email or phone goes straight into your Wells Fargo account. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to use Wells Fargo with Zelle app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.